three design trends for this year. As the economy has done some wonky things this year, we have seen people gravitating towards smaller homes. It used to be bigger square footage. We've started to see that kind of come back down. Another thing that people are really into is functional, well laid out kitchens. So in AB Homes, if you look at all of our floor plans online, we really try our best to maximize the kitchen space and leave as much counter space as possible for our designs. If you like to cook, check out some of our floor plans, get some really nice laid out kitchens. Another trend that's been really popular is dedicated workspaces. With more and more folks working from home, it's been really important for them. So a lot of our floor plans have areas that are left as a flex space. Most of the people we're building homes for nowadays are using that as a home office. That right there is about the three biggest trends that we're seeing over the last year or so. If you'd like to learn more about AB Homes and what we can do for building your dreams into your new custom home, give us a call. You can reach me at 757-435-9900 or find us on the web at abhomesva.com.